Hello again. I'm back on the world band receiver. I can't actually see what band I'm on, but hang on, let's move that. Band 1. So that's down at 60 meters. It's about 6 o'clock at night. I'm getting some reasonable signals here, quite a number of stations. I've been through the bands and listed them down. I've got most activity on 31 meters, so I'll just go back to there. I can find it. There he is. That's 31 meters, and I'll just run from bottom to top. Some of these are quite weak signals. It's just about pulling them in.
You understand what I'm saying? The Bible teaches us that one of the most profound things that will take place in the hour in which you
A little bit of Bible bashing there.
which is approaching the last hour. Can you say that? Well, again, the scripture says, if you don't watch,
Certainly seems to be pulling in some stations. So it's 31 meter band on the world band receiver. I went through all the bands earlier. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 stations in total. Station separation isn't all it could be, but there, you can't have everything for £8, can you? I mean, sensitivity is something it doesn't lack. So once again, that's the world band receiver. Thank you for watching.